Number 1, have a dedicated space. Like this. This is my dedicated space. When I started making YouTube videos, I was doing it in my lounge, and every time I wanted to make a YouTube video, I was going downstairs, I was taking a light with me, I was going back upstairs, I was getting a microphone, taking it downstairs, going and getting the camera and the tripod and bringing it back downstairs. And it would take me a good hour or so to set everything up correctly before I even pressed that record button. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, try and find a space that is just your own and everything is already there, set up, ready to go. It will save you a lot of time, and it will also help you, just like if you have an idea, then you can go down, sit down at your desk and start recording. It makes a hell of a difference, and it will help you put out a lot more content. Number 2, if you have an idea, it doesn't matter how big or how small, if it'll help other people, then make a YouTube video about it. There's a couple of videos on my channel, which one has had over 270,000 views and the other has had 50-odd thousand views. And I sat on them both for about 6 months. I didn't make them for ages, and I wish I'd made them earlier. So one of the videos I was just thinking, well, is it going to help anyone out? Does anyone really care about this? And at the beginning, nobody did care about it, but as soon as COVID-19 hit, it became a really big hit. And what I'm saying is that if you have an idea, it might not be big yet, but it might become big in the future. So if you have an idea, no matter how big, how small that idea is, make a YouTube video about it, publish it, and you'll never know what's going to happen. Number 3, sound over picture. What do I mean by that? I mean, this setup looks pretty good, yeah? And it sounds alright as well. But if this setup sounded rubbish, but it still looked good, you wouldn't be as engaged. If this setup looked rubbish, but sounded great, and you could still hear clearly what I was saying, then you would be engaged. Sound is much more important than picture quality, and it's something that I've been looking into and trying to improve ever since I started my YouTube channel. I've always had decent cameras, decent lenses, because that's part of my job. I've not always had amazing microphones, and I think this setup, I'm really happy with the sound quality that's coming out of it, but this is like the 70th iteration of my sound setup. Keep trying to learn new things. I've been watching so many videos on how to improve my sound on these videos, and that's not just going to help me when I'm recording YouTube videos, but it'll help me when I'm out in the field recording professionally. Number 4, subscribers don't matter. That's probably quite a controversial thing to say. If you're one of my subscribers and you've ended up watching this video, then I thank you. But I get asked quite a lot, oh, how many subscribers have you got? How many subscribers are you on now? And I'm on 6,320, but I would be surprised if more than about 50 of my subscribers watch this video. And it's all because of the other content that I've been putting up. If you have a very loyal fan base, then subscribers will matter. But if you haven't really got a niche in your area, then subscribers don't matter at all. There's a couple of people I know who've got 5,000 or 6,000 subscribers and they're getting 6 or 7 views per video. So subscribers don't really matter in that respect, but it is really nice as a token to say, hey, cool channel and keep up the good work. And that's why I like my subscribers. But don't be checking your subscribers every 5 minutes, being like, ooh, got a new subscriber, ooh, got a new subscriber, and think that one of your videos, like if you've got 5,000 subscribers and you post a video, 5,000 people are going to watch it. It doesn't work like that. And number 5, don't force a video. Consistency is really important with YouTube, and YouTube likes it if you upload once a week or once a day. They really like that. But if you're not feeling up to it, you're going to produce something that is subpar. You're not going to do a very good job on it, and it's going to impact your channel negatively. And then you're going to feel down in yourself. So just, if you don't feel like doing it, don't do it. Wait until you're feeling creative and you'll produce something much better. So they're my top 5 tips. I'm going to give you a bonus tip just because I like you, and that is number 6. just have fun with YouTube. If you have fun with it, you make content that you want to make, then other people will enjoy it as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you took something away. If you like the video, then like the video and put a comment in the comment section below to tell me what you liked about the video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe so you never miss another episode. I'll see you again really soon.